In this video, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on how to pair your Bluetooth-enabled iPilot or iPilot Link remote to your Raptor shallow water anchor. All Minn Kota trolling motors that are model year 2017 and later are enabled with Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth Minn Kota trolling motors with iPilot or iPilot Link have the ability to be a part of your one-boat network. This includes offering you the ability to control your Minn Kota Raptor shallow water anchors from your iPilot or iPilot Link remote. To do this, you'll need to pair your iPilot or iPilot Link controller on the head of your trolling motor to your Raptor controller at the hydraulic pump. Before you begin, you'll want to make sure that your iPilot app, your controller, and your Raptor controller are all up to date using the latest software. Go to minnkotamotors.com to see the list of all the latest software revisions for your system. To pair an iPilot or iPilot Link controller to your Raptor, start by pressing the pair button on the hydraulic pump of your Minn Kota Raptor. If you're pairing a dual Raptor system, you'll only need to press the pair button on one pump. It doesn't matter which one. After pressing the pair button, the blue LEDs on the pumps will begin to flash. The Raptor will now remain in pairing mode for 30 seconds. Immediately press and hold the pair button on the iPilot controller on top of the head of your trolling motor. As you do this, you'll hear a steady tone coming from the iPilot controller. Continue holding this button until the Raptor controller and iPilot controller emit a triple beep tone. This indicates that pairing was successful. If pairing is not successful within 30 seconds, you'll hear an extended tone come from the Raptor controller, indicating that pairing mode has timed out. Go ahead and repeat this process again. It may take a couple of attempts to complete the pairing process. You're now ready to control your Minn Kota Raptor from your iPilot or iPilot Link remote. For more information and instructional videos, be sure to visit our website at minnkotamotors.com and find us on YouTube under Minn Kota Motors.